Out now, I think.
Yes, guys. Good
Yeah.
evening.
Good evening.
Oh
It's
God,
Sunday, the 14th of February.
Sunday the 14th. How's
Valentine's
everyone
Day.
doing?
Valentine's
yeah,
Day.
right.
I'm in love. No, fuck that.
Oh, it's Valentine's Day, isn't it?
Yeah, that's today, man.
It's Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Right, guys.
So
Listen,
this is what's
it's
going on.
Valentine's Day. You know what that means? What's that?
This is something we drink in Norway called soldrikk. So
What
it's
is it?
like
Milk?
not milk, like some juice of some kind.
Oh, okay.
It's easy as that.
So
What did you say about Valentine's Day? What does that mean?
It means you got to buy the dip.
Yeah, buy the dip.
Let me show you.
Valentine's Day.
You got to buy the dip, mate. Let me show you.
Buy the dip.
Okay.
Bring up your screen. So we were talking about this last time. I got stopped out. That's my fault.
Oh, you got stopped out?
Yeah, I got stopped out of the leverage trade. Down. I took the trade 12, on Friday. I think it was here. And then it went down. I had my stop at 4.05. So in this area here, and it like came back and went into profit.
You had a stop. Did you have a stop loss on it?
Yeah, I always have stop on futures. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, so I had a stop down here, and it didn't take the stop out. Went back up in profit, and I thought, now this is gonna do this. No, it did. Puked. So stopped out.
But
listen, all right,
that's a yeah. All right, cool.
So probably see 3.5 in rune. I don't know. Let's wait and see.
Okay.
Yes, I agree. Go on.
Can you see my screen? Ocean.
Yes, Ocean.
This is a good one set. So any other fucking thing? Right, Ocean's a good buy at the moment. This is a good buy. I'll definitely look to get in this. That's going to go long. Maybe not now. Maybe tomorrow. I might go a little bit lower, but that's about to go higher. Ocean's a good buy. What else we got? Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys this. Remember, I had this pair last week. I don't know if I showed you guys this pair.
Okay.
Yeah, Hathor. So I had this drawn out last week. Oh shit. I had this drawn out last week. And it was there. And I said it's a good area to buy it off here. Yeah. And if you look, it went up a bit, come back down.
Yeah.
And look, it's literally done. It's done 300%.
Did you buy it though?
Not 300. Not 300. 200% off that level. So that's a good call. That's a nice one. What else?
Is there some news that Hathor maybe get into Binance soon? Because that's on KuCoin, right?
Yeah, it's on KuCoin. It's on KuCoin. It's not on Binance yet. It's not on Binance. But what's happening at the moment, I'll tell you. Basically, so if you want to get in some of these projects early, prior to Binance, what you have to do is you have to use like a different exchange, and the one that everyone uses is called Uniswap, but it runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and because of Ethereum, the network's really busy at the moment. The gas fees are so high, so a lot of people can't get involved because if you want to buy £500 worth of a coin, you got to pay $150 gas just to buy the coin. So it doesn't make sense. So what they're saying now is all these other networks, there's one called Avalanche, another network called Avalanche. They're bringing out their own DeFi, their decentralized platform, CoinSwap. So they're gonna be have an exchange as well. So you won't have to pay the high gas fees anymore. Hathor is bringing out a decentralized exchange. Yeah. There'll be no gas fees there, and also Vet is bringing out an exchange called Vet Exchange.
Hmm.
Vet's also got their own decentralized exchanges. So a lot of these projects, Hathor, Vet, etc., Polkadot, they've all got their own exchanges coming out. They've all got their own exchanges coming out, which is good, all decentralized. So pretty soon, we're going to be able to get involved in these smaller projects and get a lot more money.
Reef as well is a decentralized exchange?
Reef,
Kind of?
I think Reef something a bit different. Reef offer like different services. I'm not 100% sure, but what they do, why it's got so much attention at the moment, Reef, is bonds. So you know what a bond is, yeah? It's basically that on the blockchain. That's what they're offering, like a fixed rate bond. It's like the first one, so that's why that's going crazy. So yeah, Reef's doing pretty well.
Yeah. So Scott, yeah, I was just.
Let me just show you guys something. Right, let me show you what's going on with the markets. So, okay, so this is Bitcoin dominance, yeah. So obviously, when it's going up, Bitcoin is the daddy, and when it's going down, it's not. So we want this to go down, because when Bitcoin dominates less, that means alt season is more proficient, yeah.
Yeah.
So what's happened is price has gone up here, it's come away. 1 second. So what we're waiting for is this pattern to complete, yeah. So you've got left shoulder, right shoulder, boom, yeah. So that it's looking like a head and shoulders is going to complete. So if you ask me, Bitcoin is going to be dominant for another. Bitcoin is going to be dominant for another
month or something.
Yeah, another month. Let me close this. Yeah. So we are in a bit. If you're in alts at the moment, you might be in a bit of a pickle, because you're going to have this going up, yeah, and then this could potentially go up, which means that alt season could be delayed by a few weeks, yeah, and then come back down. So at the moment, it looks like Bitcoin's the daddy for a little while. So if we come out of here. If we come out of here and we go Bitcoin, you should see Bitcoin pushing up. Yep. See, so Bitcoin's back now.
I was actually pretty certain to see 50k in Bitcoin before this weekend was finished, but I don't think like it touched maybe 49,500, something like that.
Yeah. So basically, we are Bitcoin's turn at the moment. That's just going up. So at the moment, we're sort of in a situation where we're waiting on Bitcoin to perhaps do something like this. Basically, Bitcoin is going to do something like this up here, and then when it comes down, that's when alt season will probably carry on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Well, actually, no, I sent it on to. Right, so remember I showed this to you guys. That. So oh shit, what did I do that for? Right. So we've got that. Then if I showed you guys this level we've got here, right. So we've got this. If we just like sort of scroll down a little bit, this is what's going on here. So it looks like this might have even been a fake out. This is Ethereum Bitcoin, yeah? This is what basically we use. This is like the altcoin index. So when Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin, that's when it's alt season. But until then, we're sort of just waiting about. So this is what you could see potentially. We've basically got this. So 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce. So I personally think that Ethereum is going to do this and then shoot up. So what I think is Ethereum is going to take the lead.
Probably.
I think Bitcoin's pushing at the moment. From this week, probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Ethereum is going to take the lead. So you need to be exposed to Ethereum right now because it's going to pop. Trust me.
You know what?
Ethereum's going to hit 2K. Ethereum's going to hit 2K. Literally, give it a couple of days. It's going to hit 2K. Ethereum's going next. Trust me on that.
So I was just looking at the link. I'll just switch the screens here. Can you see this?
Yeah,
The link is moving like the S&P.
Link's
it's moving like industry.
Have you got that?
I'm not in it, but I trade it. So it moves, takes here. It moves just like an industry. Breaks the highs.
Yeah, I know.
Comes back, makes high, come back, break the high, come back into the areas of the high.
You know why? Because I was watching I watched a podcast. That Raul guy. I've showed you it, and there was a guy that runs a hedge fund. He manages corporate money or whatever, institutional money, and they asked him. They said, "What are you investing in?" He said, "Obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, cool." But they said, any altcoins? He said, DOT and Link. He goes, that's what we're jumping in. So these guys are probably trading DOT and Link. That's why it looks like that.
Yeah, I'm probably if you look at DOT, probably
The big boys are trading it, so that's why.
So DOT moves the same way, just takes out highs, comes back into the area of the highs, and just goes and does that. Here. This is break goes so probably gonna come back into here and then go again and break this size. Do something like that and continue up and then come back and do that again.
Yeah. I think Link's gonna hit 500.
Trading skills, but
I think Link's gonna hit $500. You know.
You think that 500?
Yeah. Do you know what someone said the other day? I was reading something and it said Bitcoin's previous high was 22K. Yeah.
Yeah.
And since then, Bitcoin is now at like 50K. So it's literally done 100. It's done 150% past.
Yeah, we did. It wasn't somebody told you that we were talking about it.
Yeah, Bitcoin's high was 20%, was 20K or 22K, and it's gone 150% past the high. Yeah. But Ethereum, the previous high on Ethereum was like 1400, and it's only just gone past. Yeah. So at the moment, Ethereum is lagging behind. So Ethereum has got a big push to come.
We can measure this pretty quickly because that's. So this is the high from here.
What's that? BTC?
No, this is the Ethereum.
That's Ethereum. So the high. What has it done? 10% past it, or 20%? 30%? Yeah. Whereas Bitcoin's done 150.
Yeah.
So this is undervalued. It's undervalued, mate. That's why we've got to get in it.
150 is. No, I need to get that, man. Maybe up here, 3.5K, and we can go to BTC. Same thing. Oh.
Bitcoin's going crazy.
High here. 150. So, yeah, Ethereum has a lot of more room to move in if you want to compare it to the BTC. Litecoin has also started to move. That's it was stuck like around the 140 for a long time. For some weeks here, it moved when other things starts to move as well, up to like, and it was stuck around 150, 40 area. And now it's been moving pretty nicely the last couple of weeks. So,
do you know what this? I was reading an article earlier, and it was talking about the Michael Saylor conference, yeah, and I think he had 7,000 companies online or something. I can't remember how many, but he said a lot of them are going to be buying Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty soon.
Yeah.
And I was chatting to someone else, and I think to myself, I don't think the alt season might just carry on. The bull run. It might carry on. It might go up. Yeah. Let me show you my chart. Let me show you let me show you my screen. Show my screen.
Pull it up.
Because we're hitting adoption. Yeah. We're reaching adoption. Let me just go to monthly. So what we're basically looking at, yeah, everyone's saying Bitcoin's going to go to everyone's saying Bitcoin's going to go to 288 and all that, yeah, and it probably will because 288 is up here somewhere, yeah. So we could literally, this is what I think we're going to see for Bitcoin now. That 100k. Once it goes to 100k or whatever, doosh, back down here. Now, not that far. Sorry, look, it's going to go like this. It's going to go 100k, 105k. Then it's going to drop all the way down back to here. It's going to do like a 30% retracement. That's when we're going to get the proper alt season, yeah, probably. And then I think it will just carry on up to here, and then that's it. But then when it pulls back next time, I think it will just come to here, something like that.
Yeah, around 100k probably.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to come low again. So that's what's going on.
But that would have been pretty low because that's a 50% drop at least to 100k. No, it's more.
It's more than that.
It's like 70.
Yeah, it's more than that. That's what I'm saying. It's 80% drop. If you're up here, yeah, if you're up here, yeah, 70% drop. So that's basically what it does, right? So that's potentially what's going to happen. That's potentially what's going to happen, bro.
Okay, so
yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of dips at the moment to buy. So I'll give you some setups. What I would be looking for. Where's all the setups? Right, boom. Coty. This is a good one. This is a good setup. This, yeah, that's gonna go. Coty's gonna go. Now Link, yeah, Link will go. Link will go. Flamingo. I think what this is gonna do. Shit. I think Flamingo just been making highs. Look, it hasn't broke that high, so I think price will come down to here. Maybe grab some liquidity from down there, and then go long. Possibly.
Yeah.
We've got Ocean as well. Like I said, Ocean's going to go long from there. We've got Rune. This is a good one. This is probably your best setup here, Rune. So basically here, you've got pump, and you've got a correction, yeah? So you've got bullish pendant down here. Obviously, you've got liquidity here, here, here. So it's basically taking liquidity from here, here, and here, and it's going to bounce off here. So now is probably the best time to get in Rune. I'll get in that right now. You're going to take that, Joe?
Yeah, I took it on Friday and I fucked it up. So I took CRV today.
Yeah.
It made some nice profit, but that came on our indicator, so I didn't do anything on it. But Göran is saying, Sailor's pushing BTC for storage. Sad that I can't find him mentoring DeFi, baby steps. Yeah, but then again, I think when you have these big companies that want to invest in cryptocurrencies and they want to put this on their balance sheet, I think Ethereum and Bitcoin, it just makes sense that they put that into the balance sheet first. But imagine when they're gonna find out about Link and stuff like that, and that's maybe the stuff that can happen that can really make this bull run last for a longer time than to Q4. If they really start to push big money into DeFi as well after a while.
Yeah, so Sailor's pushing for that. But listen, at the end of the day, Sailor's pushing for storage. But all these lot want to do is make money. Yeah, you've got Sailor. Yeah, so there's two narratives. There's the narrative of we want to hedge inflation. Yeah, which is what a lot of these firms are going to do. They want to hedge inflation. So companies like Apple and that, they're not really that bothered about trading crypto. They don't give a shit. They do actually want to hedge the dollar because the dollar's going to shit. Yeah. But then you've got institutions, they're there to make money. They don't give a shit about hedging the dollar. They want to make money. And where the money is in DeFi, trading DeFi. Bitcoin's cool, but you'll get more money trading other coins. Hathor done 100% this week. Sorry, 200% in 1 week. You ain't getting that on Bitcoin and all that. So what I'm saying. So the DeFi is coming. They're going to start trading it. It's just taking a while. I've had my portfolio since December, the start of December, and I think I'm 3x up or 4x now. 4x. So I'm basically looking to. I think we can get a 10x from here. I reckon we can get a 10x. I'll tell you something as well. A lot of these protocols, so Avalanche, Polkadot, they're all coming out with their own exchanges. So if you don't want to make money, basically you need to buy. Basically, you need to get in some projects early. So a lot of these exchanges will have their own coin. Yeah. So like Avalanche has just come out. That's not that's like its own protocol. So Avalanche protocol, that's a good coin. That's done like 200%. That's gone up loads. If I can show you actually. What's it? Avalanche. I forgot what it's called. What's it called? Avalanche. I don't even think it's on here. But Avalanche, if you got the chart, Avalanche. If you got the chart, let me have a look for it actually. Let me just see if I can find it. Oh, Avalanche, fuck's sake. I can't find a ticker for it, but yeah, Avalanche. Have a look at that. That's going crazy. So you need to get that token. Get Avalanche. Actually, yeah, get Avalanche, but also get Zero. There's a coin called Zero, a project. Zero is it's decentralized exchange on the Avalanche protocol. That's going to go crazy. Zero, get Avalanche. What else was there? Polk. I think it's Polks. Polkadot. I've got a brand. Let me get the name of it. Let me get the name of it.
About a coin on Friday. That I'm gonna find it.
There's a lot of shit coins out here. This is the problem.
There's a lot of shit coins moving.
There's a lot of shit coins out there. 1 second. Polkadot, I've got a new project coming out. I can't find it. Right, I don't know the name of it, but when I find it, I'll post it. Because Polkadot, I've got their own exchange coming out. So you all need to get on. You need to get involved with that because we can make a lot of money on that. I'm going to be using it as well because it's going to be cheap and it's decentralized. So I'm going to be using that. Yeah, I ain't got a name for it, but anyway, that's pretty much what's going on. What else is going on?
You know, my friend, like we talked about this before we went live, but you know, my like one of the guys that's using our bot, he's on this fucking shitcoin that he trades. He's an American, so he only has Binance US, so he doesn't have like a lot of coins available to trade. So this, please, I don't want to mention the name, but like the, what should I say, Elon Musk coin, and that should be enough.
Is he trading that?
Yeah, it's trading that.
Why do Americans want to trade? All Americans want to trade shit Dogecoin. I hate it.
Yeah, and don't say that name. Say the fucking Tesla.
I'm gonna say it again.
Tesla USDT. Yeah, but it's taken 9 trades today, and it's up like 22.5%. Crazy.
Really? What, today?
Yeah, but Yeah, today.
What on that shit coin?
On the shit coin, on the Tesla, on the Elon Musk coin.
Oh god.
The
Yeah.
Elon
He's
coin,
making more money than me, bro.
Yeah, he's making more money than me as well by trading the Elon coin. Let me see if I can show this.
Bro, do you know what the worst thing about that coin is? Let me tell you something. The thing is,
Nah.
yeah, because there's no fundamentals behind the coin, yeah.
Yeah.
When they want to pull the plug on it, it can go to 1 cent or
Yeah, it can go
0.2 cent because there's nothing back in it.
No, nothing.
Yeah, it can go to nothing. And do you know what the worst thing is? Listen, see that certain coins can't go to zero, yeah?
Yeah.
Because there's miners. Like Bitcoin can't go to zero because there's miners and they don't make money if it goes below 12,000. So they all own some, yeah?
Yeah.
So Bitcoin has got a floor. I'll show you an indicator in a minute. You can see the floor on Bitcoin, yeah? So it's not going to go to zero. Dodge can actually go to zero because it's got no purpose. It doesn't do anything. There's no one mining it. And apparently, with that coin, that shit coin, there's more coins generated every year.
Yeah. So it's just like printing the dollar.
Yeah, exactly. I need to do my research, but I've heard that there's more coins that generated each year, so it just gets more and more available. It's just very weird. That's why I don't trust that coin. I can't sleep about. I can't think about it. I couldn't sleep if I was in that coin. No chance.
I don't sleep anyways, so might as well just start to trade. But I was gonna show you guys Litecoin here. So this is a top in 13, and from the top in 13 to the top in 17, 18, 17, we moved 465%. So yeah, let's say 450. We haven't even taken out the highs. So if this would be a 450 move, like if you're going to replicate the move from 17, 450, so bad at this. I need to do something with my trading view skills. 450 takes us to 2K. It's a 10x. So a 10x from here looks pretty right and sounds pretty right and everything. So
how did you arrive at 10x?
No, because so this move from 13 to 17 was 450.
Oh yeah.
We haven't even taken out the highs, but if you want to do like the high and 450%, so 450 takes us to ish 2K, and now we're sitting at $200. So in my head, in my
10x from here.
Mathematics, that's 10x.
Yeah, we can get a 10x from here. Definitely, we can.
Yeah.
I think the best case. I was thinking this morning. I was having a chat with some people about the best way to exit the market. Obviously, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the stock to flow chart all the time, every day. I'll check it, and I'm also going to check my indicator. You know, the indicator that I love so much.
Yeah,
I want to check that. But what I'm also going to do is nearer the time, as soon as the indicator turns blue, yeah, and it indicates there's a top, I'm going to take probably 50% of my money out.
Yeah,
and then I'm going to start. I'm going to start implementing stop losses.
Yeah.
So that I can just move it up, trail it up every day. That's what I'm going to do. Because when these markets do turn around at the end of the year or whenever it is, I don't want to be giving my money back. You know. Yeah. RSR, beautiful.
So we were talking about this as well. Like it was stuck in a range for God knows how long. It not that long, but it feels long in the crypto space. So it was about a month or something.
Yeah, it was a month. I was stuck in it the whole of January. I was so pissed off.
Yeah, and now it suddenly started to move. My friend, who like we managed has done some investments for. He was stuck in RSR BTC for like the whole of January or something like that, and he's been messaging me every day the last week and like, it's up 15% today, 20% today.
Is he checking it? What's he in? What else is he in?
So he's in. I think he's in Silica, VET, and RSR versus the BTC.
VET. Pull up VET. Pull up. Oh yeah, pull up VET. Do me a favor. Pull up VET. Yeah. So VET's having it, which is good. That's going to be a good buy. Yeah. But also, what I've seen, that's a good setup. You know. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Up to this highs, even
It's a good set.
up here, who knows? But
That's a good setup. Also, what was I going to say? Type in VTHO. That's the gas for vet. This is how you know vet's going to go nuts. VTHO.
this is a gas or weta. Okay.
Yeah, look at that. Vets coming out with their own exchange, and you need this to get cheap fees on the exchange. This is why it's going up so much. I was going to start trading it.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's not even 1 cent. Look how cheap it is.
Pretty cheap.
It's cheap, bro.
Reef as well. Okay, let's look at some shit it's been a long time since we've been looking at. How are we looking in the Forex market these days? It just doesn't move.
Bro, Forex, I'm finished with it. I'm done with Forex, mate.
Yeah, me as well. I'm puking inside when I'm watching it.
I ain't trading that no more, bro. It's just a waste of time. The thing is with Forex, yeah, that looks like a good flag to buy it. If that was crypto, it would go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Go back to it. Look, if that was crypto, yeah, you'd be buying that now because you'd be like, yep, it's going up. Yep, that's going up. That's not going to go up. That's going to go down.
Yeah.
This is Forex.
Probably gotta
Forex will fuck you.
Just get everybody blue.
Yeah. That's what he's gonna do. That's what that's gonna do. Let me just run through a few things, Joe, with them. Right. Firstly, guys, we've got a bot. We've got a few bots that we're working on right now. We were working on them and they're finished. We've been running them for the past 3 weeks and we're up 20%. Ether, not dollars, Ether. So I just tested it out with 10 ETH. Yeah. I put 10 ETH in it and I'm now up to 12 ETH. So I've gone from 10 Ethereum to 12 in 2 weeks, which is good. So you can imagine by the summer, I'm looking to have 50 ETH, 50, which is crazy. So if you want to use that, if you want to use it, if you want to see the results, we'll send you the results. You can look at them. If you want to use the bot, get in our Discord group. There's a link in the YouTube channel. Go to the link in the YouTube channel, click that. It'll take you to our Discord group and then message us and we'll have a little chat about it. We'll set it up.
Helder is asking us if we talked about Reef. We've been talking a bit about it, but we might as well can talk about it a bit more.
Yeah, Reef. Yeah, Reef's gonna go nuts because Reef, they brought out a product. They brought out a product for about a few days ago, and it's a bond, and it's basically the first one in the whole DeFi space. So Reef is gonna go crazy, bro. Reef's gonna go crazy. Reef's a good buy at the moment. It's cheap. I think Reef's cheap as well.
Yeah, about 60,000 Reef.
You got 60,000?
Yeah.
Yeah, Reef's good, man. Reef's a nice little project, and Coty as well. Coty.
Yeah. Do
your homework on Coty. It's a payment. It's like a payment protocol. Coty's amazing. Coty, and there's one more paid. 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 PAID is good.
Paid. Spell it for me.
PAID.
Fuck that. I don't understand English today. Suddenly.
I
can give you the screen. You can pull it up.
Yeah, I'll put it up. It's not even here. It's there.
Nah. Oh, it's okay, there. Okay, put on Uniswap, yeah.
Yeah, it's Uniswap.
Paid, yeah.
Paid. But this is going to go up. This is just going to go long. This thing is just going to go up and nothing else. It's like a smart contract. It's like it's like a protocol that allows you to build up reputation on the blockchain.
Oh,
so cool. It's like an escrow. So let's say we come to an agreement and I'll pay you money and I'll pay it.
Yeah.
I get a rating and I get like a collateral.
Okay. So you get like
yeah, exactly that. So I get ratings
in the
industry.
Time and stuff like that.
Yeah, exactly that. And you also don't have to put. You also you can use it to buy insurance and stuff like that. I can't remember the exact use for it, the exact use case, but it's amazing. PAID, check it out. I'll do a bit more research on it and I'll talk about it next time.
Yeah. I was thinking maybe we could like trade something today, and that's I call it live trading, but so we're just sitting here talking shit.
No,
but
HTR
to trade
yeah,
RSR.
Yeah, RSR. HTR won't be on Binance until it's probably about $2. That's the thing. HTR, I don't know how long you guys been following us for, but I spoke about it a month ago. Yeah, if you got in then you'd be 3x up. I've got HTR. Yeah, but it's on KuCoin. It's a shit broker. I wouldn't advise going there. But HTR is going to go. It's basically going to be Ethereum. I promise you that now. HTR is a protocol just like Ethereum, but you don't have to pay gas fees. It's cheap, and you can make your own token. You can log onto the network now and make your own token. And you can send your own token to people like easily on your iPhone. It's mad. So that is going to go, that'll be $100 one day, put in about 2 years. But right now it's 50 cents. Anyone who can get it, hodl. Yeah, so guys.
This one as well could be nice to get in for a few days. Like if you have some tether sitting around, try to just could just go from here, or could do something like this. Take out some stops and liquidity under there. But this is sushi up. So
you got to share your screen. I can't see it. Share it.
Okay. I'm talking without even knowing. So this could all be a nice one to get in, like for the upcoming week. Sushi up with leverage built in. Can you see it now?
Yeah, that's a good trade. It's a nice setup. What is that? Sushi.
Sushi up. So I don't know how sushi looks.
Sushi up. Yeah. Sushi up. Yeah. The problem is with up tokens, guys. If you're using them, it's only a short-term trade, because the longer you're in it and the longer it's not moving, it deleverages.
Yeah, and you actually lose this money from it just like being stuck in like so something like this.
Yeah, so when it's like that, your leverage goes and you end up making no fucking money. So if I was you, just use that short term. Just stay in it for 1 or 2 days, and that's it. Don't try and hold it forever, because you won't have no leverage in it, and you just end up losing fucking money.
So stay in it for like something like that.
Yeah, exactly that.
25%.
Yeah, guys, what was I going to say? Make sure you get in the Discord group. The link is in the description on YouTube, whatever, or wherever you are. Also, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll do next week. We're going to do live trading, probably some future trading. We need to wait for a bit of volume now. Probably wait for Bitcoin.
I thought we were going to have that today, but
yeah, we're not going to have it today. What we'll do is we'll wait for a bit of volume on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think they're the best markets to trade live. And then what we'll do is once the volume picks up, we'll do some live trade. We'll try and jump in a live trade, probably Tuesday, Wednesday.
Flamingo. Don't forget Flamingo.
Yeah. I think that's going to come down to 54 and then go long.
Yeah, it could be. Like, go below here. Yeah. It's going to be fun to see the markets this week, to see what's going to happen. If we like who's going to move this week.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, I think that's about it for me today.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.
Else on your mind?
If you've got any questions, guys, let us know. Put them in the comments. Yeah, HTR's on KuCoin, Goran. It's on there right now. You can get it, but the liquidity is very low sometimes. That's a bit of a dodgy one. But definitely get on HTR. Different type of project. Different. For right now, the best project I can think of to make the most money in your life, HTR. It's 50 cents. It's going to $20 easily. Yeah. And past that, it's going to go to $100 and $1,000. So if I was you, I would get in right now on hodl.
I need to take this away. Fuck this.
Right.
Let's look at BTC. Is that 15? No.
Let's get on here. Also, guys, if you want to use the robot as well, don't forget to join the Discord and give us a message. Yeah. Follow me on Twitter as well. Quant_in_crypto.
$285 in BTC before 50K. Yeah. Whatever.
At 50K.
We're gonna see 50 this week.
I'm expecting to sell off. Yeah, but listen, when it goes past 50, I'm expecting it to drop hard.
You think it's coming back to like 40 or 45 or
after 50?
Maybe like here.
Drop.
Maybe yeah. Probably like to this.
Yeah, 50. It'll go 50, then it'll pull back. Hopefully, we get a little push. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But that's it for today, guys.
Yes. Thank you for following on.
Yeah. Also, guys, if you want to get into a pre-sale, yeah, polls, POLS, yeah. I'll post it in the group now, actually. If you want to get into a pre-sale, because it's just easy money. It's basically a decentralized exchange on the Polkadot platform. So I'll send that to you. You can get in the pre-sale. A lot of money to be made.
Rune at 4, maybe. Let's wait and see. Okay, guys, enjoy. Thank you for following.
All right, guys. I'll speak to you guys soon. Yeah, we'll see you guys
Ciao.
Tuesday.